Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium contest question this is during the contest that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm really happy about this because kind of just shows you what you perform like under pressure. I think this one's actually really easy, but again, being able to solve a medium question without any assistance by myself is pretty good. So I just used a brute force approach. Basically, they just want you to see if you can basically cut any row so that, for example, if you have 4 rows, so take the total at any point. If whatever's left is equal to whatever you have so far, then return true at any point. So like that, and then do the same thing for the columns, right? So really simple. So let's go ahead and say cur total row is 0 and go over each row. And then we're just going to add, right? We're going to add sum of the row. And then we're just saying current row is 0. And then for this, let's just say current row plus equal to sum of g. And again, if, right, whatever we have so far is equal to whatever the total minus whatever we have so far, then like this is equal to this, the sum of these, and then that's going to be true, right? So is equal to total row minus current row, then return true. So pretty simple, right? And then we do the same for the columns. So total column is 0, and let's get each column. So let's call this start as 0. So the column is the width. We have to go like this, so we don't want to get out of bounds. So while start is less than length of grid of 0, because all the rows are of the same length. They're the same width, sorry, not height. And now we're just going to say for j in range length grid. So this is going the axes, and then we're just going to say for j and start. And then to avoid the infinite loop, let's just run this. Let's do that so we can actually see it, because this is just going to cut everything off. Cool. So 0 0 1 0 like that. 1 0 1 1 or 0 1 1 1. Cool. So we got each column. Can't speak right now. Let's call this current column. Current call dot append grid j start. Right. So the column index first, j start instead of start j. That's how you get the columns. And then again, we want to append current column. Again, this is just my way of getting all the columns. I'm sure there's a more efficient way to do this, but again, I did come up with this on my own. So now we do the same thing for the columns. So cur column is 0, so we have the total columns, which should be sum of current column. And then we just do for, well, current column is 0, or current column sum, whatever you want to call it. And then for C in column, so that's each column instead of each row. So instead of left to right, it's up to down like that. So current column plus equals to sum of C, the current column. And then if, again, if total column minus, if current column, sorry, not current call, cur C is equal to total C minus current C, then we return true, right? At any point, and then return false at the end if there's not a single column or row that we can cut and it's equal to the other. So let's submit this. Oh, wrong answer. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Row is equal to total row. Oh, sorry, forgot to return that. And we were just doing the print, and there you go. So got accepted. Again, really excited about this. Pretty easy question. It looks like most people could solve it, even though it's tagged medium. So let's wait till the end of the contest, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. Take care.